Hey everyone, and welcome back to Flows with Chris. Today we're looking into one of the most powerful tools for sales professionals, our new Flow Sales Meeting Prep. This flow is designed to help you walk into every sales meeting fully prepared with a detailed understanding of the company you're meeting, with insights on how you can assist them. So what exactly does the Sales Meeting Prep flow do? Well, in just a few quick steps, this flow gathers all of the key information you're going to need about a particular company, including its background, its market position, and industry trends. It's also going to provide tailored solutions on how your business can add value to your customers' operations. So it's like having your own personal sales assistant right at your fingertips. Let's have a look at it right now. Great, so here I am now in my FlowHunt account. I'm just going to go down to the Sales Meeting Prep tool here, and simply I'm going to open that. You can see here I've got my description and I've got my flow straight away here. So all I have to do is type in the company that I want to be working with. But let's have a look at the flow first of all. So you can see this one's a little bit larger, a little bit more complicated. We've got our chat input. We're using URL retrievers here in Google Search to do those search tasks. And you can see also here our sequential tasks, and we have our AI agents here as well. So for instance, we're using 3 agents here, and then for each of these, we've got a different task set. So first of all, you're an expert researcher. So the task, first of all, is to get a detailed overview of the company by searching the data online and providing a summary of the company's operations, products, services, and business model, as I mentioned before. Then you can see the second sequential task here connected to the second agent. This one here says you are a market analyst. So this is to research the competitive landscape of the company, identify any major competitors, analyze the market, and also focus on the areas that they might be facing challenges or opportunities for growth, etc., etc. Then we go on to the third sequential task here. And the last one here that we're going to use as well is you are an AI assistant knowledgeable about AI workflows. So here now I'm talking about FlowHunt. So for instance, I want to see if a company I'm going to be working with, where the best opportunity would be for me to sell my business. So for instance, you're an AI assistant knowledgeable about AI workflows, and based on the company's profile and market position, so the information that we've just found before, you can identify the specific areas where AI workflows could benefit them. So for instance, if your company offered different services, this would be where you would put your services here. So tailor your suggestions to the industry pain point or growth opportunity. So you can see that. So what we're going to do now, you can see also that the whole flow has been put together here. We've got our chat output here, and we can test that at any time as well. So what we'll do is we're going to go to a website here. Let's pick Siemens, for instance. And I'm just going to go, for instance, to the press area of the Siemens website. And you can see down here, we've got different contacts. So let's have a look, press contact. Let's click on that one. Okay, so let's have a look down here on the list here. And we've got one of these gentlemen here. Let's put Frederick at Siemens, and so let's go to that. Okay, so let's put Frederick in here, and off we go. Let's search and see what we can come with. First of all, you can see it's searching the Siemens industry guide, and now it's looking at 3 URLs. As this is quite a complex workflow, it can sometimes take a few minutes to get all of the results, but you can leave it working in the background while you go off and do something else. Searching Siemens competitors, so it's looking at 1 URL here. Okay, so here we go. So this has given us a very interesting oversight here. So look, we've got one source here from Siemens competitors that it's found us, and it's telling us here that Siemens AG is a multifaceted conglomerate, can leverage AI workflows across various of its divisions. And so here we go, and it's given us some ideas. So in Siemens Energy, in the energy solutions, AI could optimize energy production and distribution. We can look at the health and ears. AI workflows can revolutionize healthcare, diagnostics and imaging here, and it tells me how I can integrate AI into that AI-driven healthcare IT solutions. So it's given me some good ideas where I can actually start to talk about my workflows. So digital industries, AI can drive digital transformation by automating manufacturing processes, of course, and we've got smart infrastructure and Siemens mobility as well. And then at the bottom, it's giving me a little tip. So overall, AI workflows can significantly enhance Siemens' commitment to digitalization and sustainability. So this is really good, and I've got a great opportunity to actually show my knowledge in the company in my meeting in the next 5 or 10 minutes. So that's it for today's episode of Flows with Chris. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful flows and AI-powered solutions. Become a flow engineer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.